Hey, what's up? Channeling holder. It's a really massive video for all of you, my brother. But absolutely, the current condition is going to very critical now, and the channeling is completely fails down. So a lot of holder ask me to why you are give us a very shock news, very bad news. It's absolutely, my friend. ABSC channel will give you a real news, a real update. So therefore, my friend, absolutely the coin is fails down. So I cannot give you, my friend, the fake news. But I have one good news also, my friend, for all of you today now. So let's see, my brother. But kindly please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and you can see here minus 4.56% there, or very badly jumps down, very badly falls down. The price is decreasing, and what's the reason, my friend? This is very simple reason, my friend. So they were fails down, and the reason is that, my brothers, especially in the start of month, every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down. So therefore, I think, my brother, this coin is also very badly fails down. So don't see this chart fail. I know, my friend, the first week will be very badly fails down, but I hope in upcoming time, the next week, they will again starting moving upward, and they completely go in the moon now. So why you are waiting, my brother? Please kindly hold it, and if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good, my friends, to you invest now, because the price is very cheap. You know, this time the price is 18.88 USD dollars. So exactly, my friend, the price is very good, and I hope, my friend, the Chainlink price will be increasing after, my friend, the second week, and they will moving upward very fastly now. So Chainlink holder, my prediction is completely going to be positive now, and I already tell you to in a second week they will starting moving upward. So why you are waiting? And please don't sell it. Remember to don't sell it. This is a very huge mistake, my brother. If you starting selling, remember at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. So why you are waiting? Please invest now, hold it to the end of month. I hope they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. See you next time, holder. Please like this video, and absolutely if you want to participate and giveaway, so the good news is that, my friends, the giveaway is coming soon. Just for participate, you subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.